This is the webinar where we're looking at public children law cases as a casebook to give you an update on some of the areas surrounding public children law with a view to looking at some of the case law developments, some of the statutory provisions, and also some of the practice guidance. So I'm hoping by the end of the session, you'll have a much greater understanding of some of the key themes surrounding this area in relation to significant court decisions, some of the guidance that we've been handed down, particularly from some of the senior judiciary. One of the other things which the Public Law Working Party picked up on is the position with an agreed minute of the advocates meeting. Now, this is happening in some parts of England and Wales already. And it's the idea that when you're having an advocates meeting, whether it's before the case manager hearing, before any further case management hearing, before the issues resolution hearing, then the idea that there is an agreed minute taken of the advocate meeting, and that is then filed at court or uploaded on the portal. And by doing it that way, it could potentially, in due course, avoid the need for separate case summaries to be done, and even to avoid the need for position statements to be done. Now, as I mentioned, that case of REC that I mentioned in terms of circumcision, that really looked at the issue of Section 33(3) of the Children Act and 33(6), and that also ties in with this other case, this later case of REC looked after children COVID-19 vaccination, this case of 9th of November 2021. And this was handed down by Mr. Justice Poole, and the question here was, does the local authority effectively have the final say in determining as to whether or not a child is to be having the COVID-19 vaccination in circumstances where a parent with PR is objecting? So the case itself involved a 12-year-old child subject to a care order. Child sought to be vaccinated with the COVID-19 vaccination. Local authority and guardian supported, the father supported, but it was the mother who opposed.